Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. Guys, this video is so long overdue. I'm a bit embarrassed with Michelle. This was a swap that we had a long time ago. I'm not even going to tell you what the date is. But we were partnered in a swap for loaded envelopes galore and more. And I was fortunate enough to have her as my partner again for another swap. I'm going to link her channel in the description box so you can go check her out. She's amazing. So, okay, I haven't really looked at this. I took it out of the box and I set it aside, but I really haven't even seen it myself. So we're going to look at this together. And this was for a loaded caddy that was, we were to follow a tutorial from Christiane's Crafty Adventures. And I'm going to go ahead and link her video also, or her channel, in the description box. This is so cute. Okay, so let us see what is in the paper. And again, we kind of have the same... we've kind of sent each other the same items. So first of all, I want you to see these rosettes. Aren't these just so pretty? So she sent me 3 of each color. Aren't those just beautiful? So I bought a die for these guys, but I'm gonna have to play around with it because mine don't look this cute. Oh, I love these. I will be using them. Just love the color and everything. Of course, you know, purple is my favorite color. This is more of a lavender, but it's so, so pretty. Thank you, Michelle. I love those. And then she also sent me one of the little frap cups with a sequin mix in there. Guys, I don't even remember what was the requirement anymore, but she made this cute little container, this little carrier. Look at that. Isn't that just adorable? And she's got a beautiful shaker mix in there. She's got it tied with some seam binding. She put a cute little dangle here on the side. I just love that bead. And even this bow, they are so pretty. I just love that. So Michelle, I hope you don't mind. I'll probably reuse those in another swap or something. But look at that shaker mix. Isn't that pretty? I don't even want to take it out. Oh, I can take it out without destroying the box. Isn't that pretty, guys? Oh my goodness. She's got all kind of sequins mix in here. Gold and yellow and purple and blues. And she's got circles and stars. And it is so... Oh, and she's got... It looks like maybe some seed beads. No, she's got those tiny little, I forget what they're called, but they're tiny little balls, glass balls. That's so pretty. Thank you, Michelle. I just love that. That is so pretty. And I have a little cup. That is so adorable. I just love that, Michelle. Thank you. And there we go. I didn't destroy it. That's so adorable. That's so cute. Great idea. And then this little box, of course, okay, so she used the watercolor floral by Prima to make this. It's so, so pretty. And then she sent me a pokey tool, guys. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my gosh, Michelle, this is gorgeous. I love this. Oh my gosh, I am going to set it where I can see it. It's so pretty, guys. Look at the beads that she's used. Those are so stunning. Oh my gosh, I just love that. And it, of course, matches everything perfectly. The little bow on the top. Oh my goodness, Michelle. This is glass and this is gold. And man, look at this big bubblegum bead. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, Michelle, I love it. Thank you. And she put it in a little box for me. I just love that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty, Michelle. Thank you. Okay, so let's go to the star of the show. This is the, I think this comes up. It does. This is the caddy that we had to follow a Christiane's tutorial for this caddy, and this is so adorable. So she put some applique on here at the bottom on the top of the flap. She used a couple of flowers here, the skeleton leaves. I love those skeleton leaves. And a banner here that says the best adventure, and some more flowers she tucked in here, and that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And look at her handle, guys. Her handle actually goes down. That's so cute. Mine stays up, but this is so adorable. I just love that. So she used a gold straw for that, and then this is the back that holds the handle, if you will, and that's where you can store the handle as well. I love that. Oh my gosh, I love that. And then she put little pockets on the sides. I left mine open. This is such a great idea. She put pockets on the side. She put a ribbon bow on each side. And then for the feet, she used these round, flat kind of beads. That's so cool. I like that. It matches perfectly. And then when we open it up, so let me see. Oh, she used a magnet to close it. And then we open it up, and this is the inside. Look, guys, I have not even read the note that she wrote for me. So I'm going to read that here in just a second. So it does close with a magnet. Oh, it's a strong one too. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's so cute. You're welcome, Michelle. Her note just said, thank you for swapping with me. And you are certainly welcome, Michelle. It's a pleasure to swap with you any day, because our styles are about the same. But yeah, she blows me out of the water when it comes to decorating, I think, embellishing. Anyway, so there is her little caddy, and let's see what's in these little pockets. So the little pockets open like that, and she's got a little something in here. Okay, and she's got some trim in here. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. That is such a pretty trim. This is the back. This is the front. That is so pretty. Oh, yes. You know, I love my trims. Thank you, Michelle. So there's that side. And then on this side, she put something else in here. Let me see what this is. And she put some tassels, paper tassels in here. And look how she packaged this, guys. Let me show you. That is so cool, Michelle. So you'll have to tell me if you designed this packaging, or this, you know, this packaging, or you bought it like that. That's so cool. That is a fantastic idea. I just love that. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you for the tassels. They're so cute. And then so when we open this up, she has stuffed it. Okay, so I'm going to take things out just so we can see the inside. So there's a little pocket right here on the front, and then there's plenty of room for goodies. I mean, this actually holds a lot. You wouldn't think, because it's so small, but it holds a lot. So in there, oh, she put some pins in there for me. Those are so adorable. This one says hugs. This one just has a beautiful bow with some beads on the side. This one has a blue one, and this one says play. Nope, goes this way. So cute. Oh my gosh, Michelle, I love those. Those are so pretty. Thank you. And then in here, she's got, oh yeah, okay, so she's got sticky notes in here, and it's got a cute little butterfly. I love my sticky notes, guys. Thank you, Michelle. I do use these quite a bit. And then look at these flowers, guys. Oh my gosh, Michelle, I think she made these. I know she made these. These are so pretty. They are stunning. I can't wait to use these. So here they are without the glare. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, I didn't know if you could see that or not. These are so pretty, Michelle. Oh my gosh, these were work. I know they were. Thank you so much. I love those. Thank you, Michelle. And then she sent me some butterflies. How pretty. And I just love these colors all together. I just love that. I really, really love the butterflies. Man, those are so pretty. Thank you, Michelle. And then she sent me, I don't know what these are called, if these are called snippets. And she sewed these. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take one off. Oh, she sent 4. There's 2 and 2. And I think they're called snippets, but I'm not positive. Anyway, for me, they're banners. These are so pretty. Look at that. She sewed these with gold thread. Oh my gosh, Michelle, you have and they're evenly spaced, girl. Mine would be all jagged. So pretty. Oh, I love these. Oh, Michelle, I just love these. Oh, you make me want to crack out my machine, but no, let's get rid of that crazy thought. All right, guys, that was my swap for Michelle. Oh my gosh, Michelle, you outdid yourself with this one. I just love everything. I probably can't fit everything in here. Michelle, thank you so much for the swap. I sincerely appreciate you. Everything was just stunning. Everything is amazing. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to check the description box for links to Christy Ann's Crafty Adventure and also for my amazing swap partner, Michelle. All right, she is Shabby Chic Chick on YouTube. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. We'll talk to everyone later, and y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.